Hi guys,
Kain,
good morning.
guys. So, ang pagkain namin ni Bob,
Kain tayo.
our breakfast is scrambled egg with spinach, as always. And, bread. I toast the bread. It's a toast top.
Sarap.
Then with a old cheese whiz.
Kismis.
Cheese whiz. Mag-ilaw ka nga pala ako mamayang gabi, ikaw.
Mag-ilis ng bahay.
Again. Always. And forever. Tubig na mainit. Para sa ating pasta ko.
Guys, ang weather namin dito is medyo malamig na.
Yeah.
Medyo
Malamig na. Feels like 1 something.
hindi naman. Parang ano lang. Parang siyang natin. Feels like 1.
Yeah. Today is December
December 4.
4. S4?
4 na ba? 5 na. 3.
4, I
Hindi na
think.
tumama.
Because, well, I put
Ano
in
yun?
my journal that it was 8 December 5. So,
Oh, 4
yesterday is
na.
3.
4 na.
Yeah. Kumusta naman kayo, guys? Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. At malapit na ang Christmas. Wala pa rin kaming Christmas decor. Pero parang hindi kami mag-Christmas decor ngayon. Not because we don't like, but because
Super busy, guys.
super busy namin. And
Pero magkakaroon tayo, hindi lang ganun kadami na Christmas decor.
And also, sabi ko nga sa inyo, kapag Christmas, wala kami dito ni Bob. Mauwi na lang kami, malapit na mag-New Year. Pero ngayon, parang mahigsi lang yung holiday natin.
O paano bitin yung Pasko?
Kaya kasi yung in between niya, may Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday pa to New Year. Dati kasi, kaya nakakaalis kami, yung Christmas, New Year, nasa Monday, Tuesday siya.
Parang ganun, oo.
Magiging Monday, Tuesday pa rin. Well, kahit ano namang araw. Pero kasi, pipiliin namin mag-rest dito sa bahay kesa lumabas. Pero Christmas wala kami dito for sure. Hanggang 27.
27. 28 pinaka-late.
Hanggang 28 pinaka-late. But sabi ko nga sa inyo, again, most of the time, hanggang 30 kami ni Bob kapag from 22 to 30 lagi tayo. No?
Ito yun nga, busy eh. Super busy.
So, super busy namin.
Ito yung taon na super busy.
So, tapos bumalik pa kami sa sports. So, kailangan namin to be consistent with that, diba? Di pwedeng matigil na naman kasi otherwise, kami ni Bob ay tatamarin. And mabibisi. Lagi kami may excuse kapag mag-sports. Busy ako. Pero kapag may schedule kami, tsaka naka-subscription kami sa sports, wala kaming
Maubi ka ka.
choice kundi atinan yung class.
Yeah. Pero kasi masaya. Nakaka-enjoy.
So, ayun.
Nakaka-meditate.
Kaya, ganun lang naman yung buhay dito. So, nasa sa amin na yun kung paano namin na-enjoyin or magpapaka-stress kami. Dalawa lang naman yun. So, pinipili namin laging mag-enjoy.
Kaya kayo guys, piliin yung maging
Mag-enjoy.
enjoy and maging happy. Kasi pinapractice yan.
Mm-mm.
Pinapractice yan.
Hindi naman basta bibigay yun eh. Basta ipapractice mo yun, yung pag-enjoy mo. At choice. Dahil ko siya nasabi, choice yun.
Choice nyo yun. Kaya huwag kayong kumuha ng
Problema.
sakit sa ulo at problema. Practicein nyo mag-enjoy, maging happy.
Saka yung ginagawa nila, kung masaya sila doon, go. Pero kung na-stress na sila, let go.
Let go. Sabi nga, pag may nawala,
May magandang.
may magandang darating.
May mas magandang darating.
Yun, magandang dumating.
Ngayon base pa rin yung taas namin. Kaya may inipeda. This weekend, so,
This weekend, Saturday yun. Sunday.
di pa kami makakapunta ng, ng
Super ulan eh.
ng Christmas market sa The Hague.
Kasi super ulan
Kasi
pa.
super
guys.
ulan. So, mag-visit kami ng Christmas market at The Hague next week. Kasi, actually, start na nila ngayon eh. December 4.
Ngayon ang start nila.
Tinignan ko kanina sa website. Pero guys, dito lang kami sa Holland this Christmas.
Dito lang. Huwag ka muna lumayo. Kasi wala tayong pahinga.
Mahirap din kasi kapag ka magta-travel. Talagang kailangan mo din ng energy, guys. Lalo ngayon kailangan namin ng magbitbit ng camera, ganun. So,
Dati maleta lang.
dati maleta lang, damit lang namin,
Ngayon,
tapos
hindi.
walang picture. Actually, yung mga lahat na naming alis, walang ganong picture yun, no? Walang lalong video. Walang video as in.
Kasi hindi naman natin alam na mapupunta tayo sa ganitong sitwasyon.
As in talagang walang video nung time na yun.
Wala, kasi kada tingin natin, ini-enjoy natin eh.
Oo, talagang ni-enjoy namin yung every moment na yun. So, pero sayang din kasi hindi nyo nakita yung,
Makikita nyo yun pa rin.
well, uulitin naman na.
Uulitin na lang natin.
Pero ibang ibang part na.
Ibang part na.
Maybe France or other part ng Italy, no?
Pero masarap balikan yun.
Pero next year,
Ang Italia, masarap talaga balikan.
you can never go wrong pag Italy. Yun yung laging sinasabi dito ng kahit sino, either kami. You cannot go
Italia,
wrong in Italy and France and Spain.
Hindi. May pinaka-the best. Ang Portugal.
Portugal because
Ay, kakagaling lang kasi natin doon eh.
yeah, Portugal because doon tayo nakakapag-relax.
Yun talaga, kung relax.
If it is Spain, pwede din naman pero one city lang tayo. Pero kasi if gagawin nating 2 cities, yun ang mahirap.
Pagod na yun.
Oo.
Na-try na natin
Dati
yung
kasi
ilang cities.
pag nag-Euro tour kami, di ba, parang 7 cities, di ba? Something. Kasi we go to Milan, Lake Como, then Venice, tapos yung island ng Venice, which is Bergamo. Ay, Murano, hindi tayo nakapunta kasi
Pisa.
ayun, Pisa,
Florence.
tapos, Firenze. Tapos hindi na nga tayo nakapunta ng Bologna nun eh. Kasi,
hindi natin nagalaw si ano.
may sakit si Bob nun, nung time na yun. Nagta-travel kami lagi may sakit si Bob. Either ako o si Bob. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganon, pero siguro nasasak yung
Sa weather.
Oo, sa weather. Isa pa yung kalaban mo kapag ka
Kasi,
mag-tutor ka. Yung weather talaga, as in.
halos
Kasi,
8 hours kang nasa labas.
oo, lamig, init. And most of the time, lumalabas kami ni Bob, winter.
Winter. Pero masarap. Masarap siya.
Super sarap na experience yun. Tapos sa France, kailangan, yun din, tsaka sa Spain, which is, paplanuhin namin yun sa Spain. Baka next year.
Yeah. Ang nakakatuwa lang, lahat ng puntahan mo, may tropa tayo doon. Kahit saan ka pumunta, may tropa. Hindi mawawala.
Oo. Pero kasi guys, sobrang mahal ngayon ng ticket. Although, afford naman, pero hindi namin i-afford. Kasi, it's not worth it na magbayad ka ng, for example, October, 200 lang siya. Ngayong December, 450. Guys, wala ka pang luggage dito ha. Ngayon, yun ang rules ng airlines. Hi guys! So, gabi na. It's already 6:10 ng gabi. So, it's my Pilates day. 7 o'clock. Pero dun lang naman yun sa may tapat namin, yung Pilates ko. So, madali-dali. Ako pala, kasi si Bob hindi naman nagpipilates, ako lang. So, madali-dali siyang gawin. At madali-dali siyang puntahan. Like 1 minute walk na dun ka. That was it. But, because bago ako dito sa Pilates class na to, kasi kinuha ko reform. Reform, tama. So, agahan ko kasi hindi ko alam kung anong spot ako today. And, yeah, that was it. The whole day from 11:30 to 5:30, we are at work. So, it's not too bad. That was it. And, tomorrow, half day lang din kami. Tomorrow, guys, interclass dito sa Netherlands. Yung Sinterklaas, yun yung, Santa Claus. Pero hindi kasi sila nagse-celebrate ng 25. So, sa mga bata na binibigyan nila ng gifts, actually kahit hindi bata, basta anak mo, they have gifts from their parents.
Lakas ang hangin guys. Sorry. Wala tayong dalang mic na maayos.
So guys, umuulan. It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. So, ginagawa pa rin yung street namin. Pupunta na ako na sa KZ Mills. So, look at that. Umuulan.
Ja, ik pay because
Here. Malapit na ako. Kasing, sabi ko sa inyo, 1 minute lang to eh. As in guys, 1 minute walk. So guys, I'm finished my Pilates. So my classmate is over there too, the one on my back, and I hope Bob is here already because he runs too. So see you later, guys. Bawal mag-vlog, actually. I'm so sorry. But I can put some of my clips here, too. Before I started. So, hintayin ko lang si Bob. I'm gonna wait for Bob. Ang lamig, grabe. Ang lamig, guys. It's like one. Feels like one. But, pinagpawisan kasi ako, kaya kaya kong naka-leggings lang pag uwi. And just 1 minute walk. So, that was fine. Ito yung laging binibigay every center class. Ito na si Bob. Nakatakbo na din daw siya. And for picture. Pero, tignan natin A and B for sure. Binuksan ko na yung kay Bob, which is cute, oh. Lagi siyang letters, guys. Letter B. Letter B. Tapos ito yung pinaka-chocolate. Oh, maingit kayo. Joke lang. Well, every Sinterklaas to binibigay talaga. Every December 5, no, Bob?
Yeah.
Everybody has this one. Everybody. A for Amori. So, eto, super sarap nito. And once a year lang to, Bob, lumalabas. Diba, no?
Yeah.
So, they always gave us A and B. Thanks,
super
Max.
sarap.
Thanks, Clau. So, one more time, A and B. Then, guys, eto, Dutch news. May news ako sa inyo para sa mga Dutch. Mga hindi pala Dutch kasi yung bawat address, binibigyan ito. Kasi merong, anong tawag doon, Bob? Preventive or awareness na baka mamaya magka-emergency kami na magkaroon ng 72, kasi last year pa news to eh, baka magkaroon kami ng 72 hours light, energy off, no water, no electric,
no water, no gas,
no gas, no internet, everything, nothing. So, meron silang binibigay na ganito. So, sabihin ko sa inyo kung ano yun. So, this is for all the emergency. All the important details are here. So, ano-ano yun? Ang start nito, alas daw, baka walang energy. After 6 hours, wala ding, hindi ka din, pwede kang tumawag ng 112. So, wala ding pin automat or withdrawhan ng pera. So, kailangan naming mag-withdraw ng pera para in case of emergency, meron kaming pera na cash. Yun, yung nandito. And then, after 6 hours, mawawala ng internet. After 8 hours, heavy traffic. And because, for sure, everybody is going out in the Netherlands. Most of the people who has a car. So, magiging chaotic. 24 hours without water. 36 hours, mawawalan ka ng battery ng cellphone mo. 48 hours radio. And then, 72 hours tone put overhide for skill and demaneer, instruksi, informati. So, eto yun. Yung sa 72 hours, kailangan namin ng water, kailangan namin ng food. Well, they can help us, actually. Hindi ko sa inyo mapapakita because I think this is confidential through Netherlands. I don't know, maybe some other people show it to you, but I don't like it. Like, I'm gonna read it to you dahil hindi nyo din naman iintindihan, like water, eaten, hygiene, warm bleifen, licht and food, water, pagkain, hygiene. Kailangan mo maging warm. So, kailangan namin ng mga thick na mga blankets. Kailangan namin ng ilaw, which is the candle. Kailangan namin yung documents namin, i-secure na namin, tsaka yung money. First, aid kit, for sure. So, most of the time yun lang. Tsaka yung mga personal, informations. So, ayun. Yun yung, dito, news. So, each of the address has it. I'm happy because they wanted to do for us. So, ayun lang. Baka kumain na rin kami ni Bob ng hapunan. Inom muna ako, guys. Medyo heavy yung pilates namin ngayon. Pero masasabi ko, mas heavy ang hot yoga. Much more heavy. That's for sure. Kasi nanginginig yung buong katawan ko kapag nag-hot yoga ako. Kasi parang kang nasa sauna. Tapos nag-hot yoga ka. Kumusta ka naman nun, diba? So, that was it. This is my outfit kanina. So, may dessert kami ni Bob. And, I think that was it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you on my next vlog. Guys, I want you to comment on my description box. Tama ba? Comment section. So, I hope guys to see you on my next vlog. And I hope guys you have a better and happy Christmas to celebrate on the 25th of December. I know it's still not easy for you na mag-celebrate ng Christmas because of the news in the Philippines. It's really, really annoying, everything na news na nakikita ko through YouTube, of course. But guys, I hope you are stay strong. Huwag niyo nang pagpapansinin yung mga bad things na binabalita dyan. Doon na lang kayo sa good things. Because happiness is a choice. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, although your environment, don't be affected. Please. That's all the thing that I want to tell you. And maybe pray if you meditated with prayers. So, see you guys on my next vlog. Maybe tomorrow. Bye-bye. I hope you have a great day. Bye.